She had a 455 rocket. Very kind you drive. Well, that's what I was singing when I started this rock and roll group build. But now I'm thinking, she was a pain in my booty. Because this kit has been a nightmare for me. Some my fault, yeah, we'll call it all my fault. But, as you can tell from the box, the Tinker Dog's got a hold of some part. Yeah, what you hear right there. Chewed the box. I found the hood out in the yard. That could make an interesting type of thing. Oh, it's not like you got beat for it, so quit whining. And I think I have most of the tops, at least to do something still with it. But the rest of it is my fault. I had chopped the top on this, and I ran into problem after problem. As you can see, the A-pillar is gone again. I've glued it back a couple times. I've made new A-pillars. Now I'm thinking about, I don't know, convertible or something. I had accidentally sanded out all the curves in the roof when I was splicing it back together. And then when I put some putty on it, I used some professional grade Spies Heckler filler. I'd had this when I worked in body shops. Oh, about 30 years ago. Yeah, that's kind of when I thought that, who knew that this stuff wouldn't last 30 some odd years and would go bad. I try to include the picture of that nasty stuff and scraping it off. I know some of you have already seen the picture and have laughed at it. But yeah, and this A-pillar, this other A-pillar keeps breaking as well. I'm not having much luck on it, but luckily there's still a couple months left on this group build for me to do something with it. See what we can do. Maybe I can still make it work. Thanks for watching this short little update, and I'm sorry I didn't have some good cool pictures to show you of how it's going along. I still have good plans. I just don't know if they're going to work. But we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers. Oh, and if you happen to have advice of like breaking out the welder or super glue or buying a new kit, I'd like to hear what you got to say. See ya.